done for modifications. So this is the driver's, our passenger side. An 11-pound propane tank to feed the Camp Chef cook stove right there. There's a 23-0 270-degree awning, goes all the way from the front, wraps around to the back side. Go ahead and put the fridge box on. 4 racks, just in case we want to do something up there at some time. Frontish view. We put on the max coupler hitch, which is a 360-degree rotating type hitch. Of course, we put the flag on the spare tire. I put a shorter Kurt jack on here, and then I cut the foot off it and put the double wheels on there, and I really am glad I did that. I've got a Plano tackle box right there. It's carrying firewood for us. 100-watt solar panel on the roof that feeds the rear battery, which is a power station, EcoFlow Delta 2. Of course, hiker trailer put in this 110-volt shore power feed, and it has two plug-ins on the inside. One is feeding my feeding to the back, which gives us 110 everywhere, so I can charge both batteries, the front battery and the rear battery, with 110 or solar panels. I added this solar connector so I could put my portable panels out here and charge. In here I have my 100 amp Redodo battery with a 110 watt or volt charger, and the 2 leads coming in from the front going here. One is, again, like I said, for the goes to the rear, and one goes to the second one I've got plugged into the 110 volt Redodo charger. And we bought these Sidiocrates. I've got them organized into 3 different compartments for propane, water, and miscellaneous like electrical stuff. And this, of course, is the driver's side. Another 11-pound propane tank. We've got a max fan on the top for sucking hot air out or blowing cold air in, whatever we want to do with it. We have a 23-0 shower awning that comes out and makes it a shower room, about 3 by 3. We've got a water heater inside here that runs off the propane next to it. It's got 2 stabilizer jacks on the rear. And this, of course, is the back end of the critter. It is our galley, pantry, whatever for right now.
I thought you took your
What?